Hold on there, dog.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
Come here. Oh my goodness, thank you.
You are welcome. What you got? Coffee? Good morning.
Morning, cheers,
I
love you.
Good morning, everyone.
Cheersy.
Happy Saturday.
Cheersy, weersy.
Happy Saturday.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, do y'all like my earrings? This is for all of our friends and family in the Reno, Sparks, Carson City area that are getting this much snow. And we are in Tucson, Arizona.
Sunny, 77. Yesterday, today, sunny, 77. Tomorrow, sunny, 77.
You know, when we got here, so when we travel, I always tell my family, I send them a message saying, okay, we got here, you know, when we leave, tell them about how long it should take, and then I send them another message that we got here. So, got here and sent Jolene, our oldest daughter, a screenshot of the weather this week, and she said, that had to have been Tom's idea for you to rub it in my face.
Hey now.
It wasn't this time, it was my idea. He would have said it if I hadn't have done it though.
Golly.
But, well, because Tom loves to
Tease.
let everybody know that we're in sunshine and they're getting tons of snow.
Got to shovel more sunshine today so we can walk.
You know what? All that bragging's just gonna bite you in the butt. It's one of these days. One of these days.
Oh my goodness.
Thank you everybody for being here with us in Tucson. We appreciate you watching. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and then to click the bell to make sure that you get all of our video notifications. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share with your friends that you want to torment.
And leave us a comment.
I said that.
Oh.
I said that. I said it in different order than what I've got it written down. He really pays attention. See what I go through? Yeah. Well, last Saturday after we chatted with you, I worked and you did some video stuff. And baseball is back. Yay!
Yes. Spring training.
Spring training, at least. Even if it is only spring training.
And you know what's nice about it? You get to see all the kids, all the young kids
Yes.
from single A and double A are playing. They do have the stars at the major league level, but they're just trying to loosen up and get back into the groove. But you really get to see what is upcoming in the farm system of not just our Cardinals, but of every club. And that's kind of neat to see what everybody's got.
Yeah, to see the future stars.
Yeah, it really is kind of neat.
So it's been fun, and every now and then they televise the game, and sadly today, they televised it yesterday when we were traveling, and then there isn't one televised today, darn it. But that's okay, we can follow along on MLB. So, and then after we worked and stuff, we kind of went out looking for buried treasure. Dave loaned us his metal detector, and we had bought one of the little pointer things that gets you closer to a more exact thing as you're digging to where that piece of metal is.
What?
The little orange stick.
Oh,
should I get it?
Okay, there it is.
I should have showed it.
That's okay.
I should have showed it.
Now
anyway,
I know what you're talking about.
It's a stick about this long, it's orange, it has a light on it, and it's a metal detector itself, but you can get into that hole that you dig and pinpoint it more closely.
So anyway, we didn't find our $1 million.
We did not, darn it.
That nugget wasn't there.
No, it wasn't. But we did help clean up the desert by cleaning up a bunch of bottle caps and nails and wire. Yeah. Hey, we actually did find something, but I left it out in the desert in a rock thing. It was a finial. So I don't think it would have been a finial from a curtain rod or anything, not way out there. What it might have been from is the wrought iron fencing that they would put around like grave sites, and it might have been a finial off of one of those. Yeah. It's just fun to speculate and make stories up of what it would be, but because I highly doubt it would have been from a curtain rod. So anyway, we found one of those, but I left it in a little rock decoration thing.
But we didn't find a tank.
Did not find a tank. We did not find $1 million. We did not find a dog tag, but we helped
Nothing.
clean up the desert a little bit
We did that.
with all the bottle caps and stuff that we collected. And then on Sunday I worked all day, and there was a baseball game on.
We made some travel plans.
Yeah, we just relaxed and made some travel plans.
And when we make travel plans, we make them in this stuff.
In the sand.
In the
Can't
sand.
see the sand that we're talking about. But
And we only make them a few days out in advance at a
Yeah.
time. You know, we're just not planners. You know, we just like
not
to
anymore.
just like to go by the seat of our,
Riches.
yeah, what she said.
So, let's see here. Lazy day. Okay. So
Yeah.
we made our travel plans for the next week or two. And so on Monday, we just kind of lazy, kind of packing up stuff, preparing for travel day. We hadn't really set up a lot because we knew we weren't going to be staying on Oglebay Road for very long. We had talked about what we were going to do, but then we kind of made the plan of this day we're going to leave, go here and go here. And so on Tuesday was a travel day. We went all the way from Oglebay Road
to Gila Bend.
to Gila Bend.
You know, and that's a couple-hour drive.
We like to
know?
break up the trip coming down here to Tucson. We like stopping in Gila Bend.
We spent the night on the parking lot of Humberto's Mexican restaurant,
Yes.
and we had that for lunch because we got there at lunchtime. And then we went and had Little Italy, which is almost next door, for supper. And then we got up the next day, which was another travel day, and we went back to Humberto's for breakfast burritos.
Yeah, yummy. Those are so good. So good. I still have 2/3 of mine.
It's crazy how
They're
much food
huge.
they
are
serve you.
huge, these burritos, breakfast burritos, loaded with, we can get what you want in them, but I only get the eggs, bacon, and cheese in mine, and you get the potatoes.
Bacon, egg,
the
and
pico
cheese,
de gallo.
potatoes, everything. I said, yeah, load it.
Yep. And then I was very, very proud of you that you only ate half of yours, and you saved the second half for the next day. He usually woofs those things down. But he saw that I saved 2/3 of mine, so, which I will probably share with him, actually. We'll probably have that for breakfast today. But anyway, so we had a yummy dinner and a yummy breakfast the next day, and we traveled from Gila Bend to Ajo. We had never been to Ajo before.
And that was a long trip. It was, 55 miles,
Yeah,
I
it was
think.
really short.
That was another short travel day for us. Those are the kinds we like.
We love those. So we got a really nice spot. We loved it anyway.
Yeah.
It was easy for us to get in and out with our
We were
big.
less than a mile off of, Highway 85, I think, in. So we didn't go that far in. I know a lot of folks go like 7 miles back,
Yeah.
but we stayed close to the highway just because we found a spot there. And it's like, okay, it's going to be quiet enough here for us.
And we
it was
really loved
beautiful.
It was beautiful. Beautiful view, just gorgeous. I took a bunch of pictures with my phone. But
We'll throw some of them up here while we're talking about it. But
Yes.
it was just an incredible
was.
stop for us. We've never been to Ajo. It is very close to Oregon Pipe.
National, is it a monument?
I think so, National Monument. I think it's very close to that.
Yeah, we did
And-
see the sign heading towards that way.
Yeah.
But lots of saguaros around,
Yeah.
mesquite, and of course lots of creosote, and it just beautiful. And it was actually very quiet. You could hear the birds. It was lovely. The site that we chose was very close to the road, but there was a big green area with trees and everything in between us and the road, so it wasn't too bad. And at night it was absolutely dead still, quiet.
Yeah.
Tons of stars. It was beautiful.
Yeah, it
So
was
we
really
really
great.
enjoyed it, and actually we would have liked to have stayed longer. Next time we will plan it
Yeah.
that way to stay longer, but we wanted to get here to Salinas.
Yeah.
So
And
we just spent 2 nights there.
speaking of Ajo and where we stayed, we have a video this Wednesday coming out at 2 o'clock Mountain Time, 2 o'clock Arizona time, on our trip from Oglebay all the way to Ajo. You know, the travel, being in Gila
Gila
Bend and So that comes out 2 o'clock this Wednesday. What up Wednesday?
Yeah, what if Wednesday? So on Thursday, that was our second day at Ajo. We stayed there 2 nights. So we just had a nice, quiet, relaxing day. Went for
Very
some walks.
relaxing.
We took the metal detector down into the wash and cleaned up some more of the desert. Did
Yep.
not find anything very interesting there. But we just keep forgetting to take a shovel and a bag for trash.
I did, however, find a prehistoric digging tool
You did. You
that
did.
I gave her.
You did. Yep.
Yeah.
It was a nice flat rock that was kind of like a shovel, and that's what I used to dig up for the hole. And some of the stuff that we had was down about this far. And thanks to the pointer thingy, we were able to hone in on it instead of having to sift it through our hands. So thank you, Dave, for that tip, because we did buy that for ourselves. And we are borrowing Dave's other metal detector.
Yeah.
So then Friday was the travel day from Ajo to here.
Yeah, another couple-hour drive. We did stop in the town of Y.
The town of Y.
And it is spelled
W-H-Y.
W-H-Y. It's not just the letter Y, which is what it used to be.
Yeah, that's what the peoples wanted to name it. Why, we don't know, but you had to have 3 letters in the name of a town.
For the U.S. Postal Service.
Yeah, so.
So they called it Y. Why not?
Why not? Not why not, but why?
Anyway, we stopped in Y at an RV park to dump, $10 to dump.
Yep.
It would have been $10, and we could have taken on water for the same price.
Yep.
You know, a very nice little
Little tiny.
RV park. I
Yeah.
can't even remember what it was called. Sonoran
Skies.
Skies RV
Yeah.
Park. That's what
Yeah.
it was in
The
Y.
lady that owns it, super nice.
Joyce is her name.
Joyce, yeah.
Super nice lady.
Yes, she is. So we got that taken care of, and on our way in between Y and Tucson, we had the coolest thing happen. And of course, they disabled our dash cam, so we don't have proof of this. But
You think that's what happened?
I think that's what happened. So a military drone flew right along, coming at us,
It
right along the tops.
Couldn't have been
of-
more than 25 or 30 feet off the ground.
So if you've seen mesquite trees or Palo Verde trees, they don't get very tall. Okay, this drone was flying right at the tops
Right
of
at
those.
the
So it was
tip-top of
super,
those.
super low. We didn't see
Right
it
next
until
to
it
the
was
hi-
like
Right next to the highway.
Right next to the highway. We didn't even see it until it was like right in front of us. So there was no way for us to get a camera
And
ready.
it's funny, our dash cam just decided to stop in this
Yeah.
certain area for X amount of seconds.
Yeah.
It's just done.
It's not on
nothing,
on our
There's
dash
nothing on
cam.
our dash cam.
Nope. Dang it. It was
There's
so
something before and
cool.
something after.
It was so darn cool. It was like, yeah, we were
That was
like, what
weird.
is that? First we thought it was a small plane, and then it was like, no way, man, that's a drone.
That's a drone.
Because it was small, but, you know, bigger than
Bigger than a drone that we would use.
bigger
you
than
know.
your backyard drone.
Yes. Yes, definitely.
I
But
think
anyway, it was
even-
pretty cool to be able to see it.
Yeah, I think it even had some missiles on it. It
I
went
wish-
by so fast that
I wish we could show it.
we wish we could. I don't know. I might have to look up some on the internet and see if I can find any pictures that are
Yeah.
of what we saw.
Yeah.
But it was so awesome, and we have no proof.
Oh well.
Just 2 witnesses.
And you know what these witnesses are worth.
Right, right. How reliable is this? But anyway. So we have a this or that for you guys this week.
Oh, we doing that now?
We do.
This
We do.
or that?
This or that.
Okay.
You've got it, so.
All right, this or that. We need you to let us know in the comments because you have to pick. You can't pick both. If you had a choice between pancakes or eggs, which do you pick? Which is your favorite?
We're not going to tell ours. I want you to pick. So, what would Lori prefer and what would Tom prefer?
And what would you prefer?
Yeah, and what you would prefer. Right.
Okay.
So, what you would want, and then let us know what you think Tom and Lori would want.
Comment below.
In the comments. So, we are here in lovely Tucson for
77 and sunny today.
for at least a week. But you know, I'm channeling Reno right now with all of its snow. My
Oh
sister sent me a
gosh.
picture of where it is in Cold Springs, and the snow is like this deep on her balcony railing.
But I did read they got like 15 inches just overnight.
Yeah, well,
And there's more snow today and tonight. So
it had been raining, so I think the first couple of inches probably
but
melted.
that's why we're here at 77 and sunny. I know we're done with the video. I know you all are sad, right?
That we're done.
We're done. I know you all are.
See ya.
Take your banner and raise it to the sky.
There, you had mesquite on you. Mesquite leaves.
You smell good like a steak.
Ah.
Oh, wrong kind of mesquite.
It's not the wood part, it's the
Okay.
leaves.
You ready to go in and eat breakfast?
Oh, breakfast, yum.
Let's go. Let's go in the house. Okay.